Start.
Hi. So here is a big thermocol, and there is marker, a cutter, and a ruler, and uhu is a glue. So I'm gonna make a Ganesh idol by this. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna help my mother to do it with my mother, and this is we're gonna make a Ganesh drawing here. And after that, we are gonna use the cutter to cut the Ganesh, and we are gonna do paints or something else.
Okay. And what about Rohan? You want to say something?
No.
No?
No.
Why? You will help me, right?
Yeah.
So now I am also taking tea. Tea is ready. So let's get started. Okay, I will make a Ganesh idol. First, I have to draw with this marker, and after then cutting, and we will do. So you have to watch how I am doing. So first, I have to take one picture. After drawing the picture, I will cut accordingly by my cutter, and after that, we will do the paint. Okay. And the process. Rohan, I can see Rohan from there, and Kana is helping. Rohan and Kana is helping. Now, already I have drawn and cutting also finished. Now we are going to color. These are the papers, glossy papers, purple, yellow, orange and blue. I am using this kind of papers. So Kana, now already we finished our Ganesha. So do you like this one? Yes? Okay, now some finishing touch I have to make. Then finally I will see you what we have done today. Bye. Stay tuned. Guys, finally I have finished my Ganesha. I did. Guys, finally I have finished in the midnight. The Ganesha, I don't know you like or not, but I try to make light Ganesha, and I use the glittery paper so that after cutting I put from the back side, so it is good looking, right? So this is the thing how I did like this, I paste it like this. So this is the main thing, and I have also making some small Ganesha, and I will make here, and just keep stay tuned. Another Ganesha with the glitter Ganesha. So this is kind of small Ganesha. You can make it like this, and this glittery paper you can take it any color. I took yellow, but anything I can take the blue, orange, anyone. So you can see how much that my room is okay. Okay, so if you like my video, please give a thumbs up and give your valuable comments. Bye bye.